Good morning, students. I hope you are fine and healthy at your homes. Dear students, as you all are aware that due to lockdown, we are unable to come to school. So from today, we are going to start your online classes of computers. I welcome you all in this first online class of computers. Today's topic is computer language. Children, I want to ask you, what is a language? Language is the medium of communication. It is the medium to express our views and feelings. And to communicate with the computer, we need a language. That common language is the computer language. Now, we will study what is a computer language. A computer language is the language by which user command a computer to work on the algorithm which a user has written to get an output. Students, you can see in this picture how humans can talk to the computer. We can talk to the computers with the help of computer languages. Now, before I start the chapter, let us discuss the basic terms related to the chapter. First is computer language. It is a special language understood by computer. It consists of set of words, symbols and codes. Next, program. It is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Next, programming. The process of writing specific instruction in a computer language is called programming. Each programming language has its specific rules. Now, children, here I will show you the computer language and its categories with the help of this chart. In this chart, you can see computer language is divided into two categories: low level language and high level language. Low level language is further divided into two types: machine language and assembly language. High level language is further divided into three types: procedural language, non-procedural language and natural language. Now first we will study what is low level language. Low level language consists of numeric codes, that is 0 and 1. These codes are easily understandable to computer but difficult to human. A low level language does not need a compiler or interpreter to run the program. The processor runs low level code directly. Now, types of low level language. There are two types of low level language: machine language and assembly language. We will discuss first machine language. Machine language is the lowest and the basic form of computer language. It is the only language that computer understands. It is expressed in binary form, that is 0 and 1, where 0 means absence of electrical pulse and 1 means presence of electrical pulse. But students, learning and understanding machine language is a tough and time consuming process. Machine language is also called first generation language. It is the lowest level of computer language. Information is conveyed to the computer by the programmer as binary instructions, that is 0 or 1. Advantages of machine language. Machine language is translation free. That is, machine language is the only language that computers can directly execute without the need for conversion. So the applications developed using machine language is extremely fast. So no conversion is needed in machine languages program. Disadvantages of machine language. Machine language is computer dependent. That is, program written on one computer may or may not run on another computer, as machine language program depends upon the hardware of the computer. Machine language is not portable. That is, machine language programs are not portable to other computer. Now, we will study assembly language. Assembly language is slightly more user-friendly language. It was developed to overcome some of the many inconveniences of machine language. This language uses symbols in place of 0 and 1. The symbols are known as mnemonics, which are written in English instructions. Assembly language is also called second generation language. Children, as computer understands only machine language, so we need translator to convert assembly language program into the machine language. Here I will show you an example. If you want to add two numbers, then the binary code for that numbers is the combination of 0 and 1. But it can be written as ADD in assembly language. That is, add is the mnemonic to add two numbers and MUL is the mnemonic to multiply two numbers. Hence, it is easier to work with assembly language. But again, assembly language depends upon the hardware of the computer. So, assembly language is also the low-level language. Now, assembler. Here, assembler is the translator which is used to translate only assembly language into the machine language. Assembler can translate only assembly language. It cannot translate other language. Disadvantages of low-level language. Now, low-level language instructions are difficult to read, write and understand. It is difficult to remember the address sequence of instructions. Programming methodology vary from machine to machine. Now children, here I am giving you an activity. Those who are having computer at their homes, they will draw a chart of computer language in MS Paint. Those who don't have computers, they will open drawing book and draw the chart on computer language. That's all for today. The high level language and its categories we will discuss in the next class. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.